Popular dancehall entertainer Alozade is mourning the loss of his daughter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall artist and producer Alozade has lost his daughter Azalea Friend Sterling on Tuesday after the toddler lost her fight to a serious lungs condition. Links 007 TV News tried to reach out to the DJ, but we were told that he was unable to make a comment because he was overcome with grief and could not articulate his thoughts clearly because his heart is in pieces and shambles. The dancehall entertainer confirmed the passing of his daughter via WhatsApp message, with the message read, "Good night, dear family and friends. Well wishers, my precious little daughter Azalea Friend Sterling made her transition today, Tuesday, October the 4th, 2022. Alozade thanked all who have sent their heartfelt prayers on the behalf of his daughter and his family during this difficult time, emotionally heart-wrenching time," he stated. The dancehall entertainer is known for songs such as Bad Man No Watch Gal, Gangsta Anthem, Sweet Dreams, and When Shatta Go Jail. As a producer, he is known for a song with Elephant Man such as Keeping It Jiggy and Capleton, In Her Heart. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.